Communication between Fusion Solar Management System and inverter is abnormal. Check your inverter application scenario. This video explains the inverter directly connected to a router solution. Log into Fusion Solar Smart PVMS. Click Maintenance, Alarm Management. Enter the plant name, device type, and SEN, and click Search. Click the alarm name to view details. Log into the Fusion Solar app using a mobile phone. Select a service function to access the device commissioning page. Click Scan. Place the QR code of the device into the scanning box. Enable WLAN on your phone. Click to connect the device. Alternatively, select Connect to another WLAN. In the WLAN list of your phone, select a WLAN hotspot and touch Connect. Select the installer and enter the login password. The local commissioning page is displayed. Analyze and locate faults based on the communication status icon on the commissioning page. If the communication status is red, locate the disconnection cause. Troubleshooting the disconnection between the inverter and the router. If you can locally log into the inverter, rectify the WLAN module fault. Reset the router name and password, and check whether the inverter is disconnected from the router. If the problem persists, troubleshoot the router password. Turn on the hotspot on your phone. Check whether the inverter can be locally connected to the hotspot of the mobile phone. If the connection is successful, the router is faulty. The customer needs to confirm the router configuration or adjust the position of the router so that it is close to the inverter.
If you are unable to connect or log in locally, it is recommended to prioritize upgrading to the latest software version.
Check whether the inverter WLAN antenna is installed. Try reinstalling the antenna to ensure that the device is installed properly. If the management system icon is red, check the disconnection between the router and the management system. Troubleshooting the disconnection between the inverter and the router. Use a mobile phone to log into the wireless network of the router. Check whether the wireless network can connect to the internet. If you can connect to the internet, the router is normal. Hotspots with personal mobile phone. On the WLAN settings page, check whether the inverter can be connected to the hotspot of the near-end mobile phone. After the settings are complete, check whether the router is successfully connected to the management system.
If the router successfully connects to the management system, it can be determined that the issue lies with the router's APN settings or router configuration. If the router fails to connect to the management system, users are advised to take a screenshot of the settings interface and download the inverter's logs, then contact Huawei technical support for assistance.
Select user options on the login page. Enter the login password to access the local commissioning page. After the login is successful, the router setting page is displayed. Select the WLAN to be connected and enter the WLAN password. Click Connect, reconnect the router. When the connection status turns green, the router is successfully connected.